Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. Umbumelelo Mseleko, guys, he is going through the most. So I woke up to an updated Instagram. He posted some video clips of him and his kids, and the caption reads, "Zingane zami lapho enikhona nihlale nazi ukuthi ubaba uyanithanda, ningabulawa indlala ubaba ekhona. Le posting yenza ngoba angifuni manikhula kuthiwe nganilahla iqiniso niyolithola kunyoko ngoba impi yakhe le ukube bewenye insizwa fanele engabe ngiyinqobe ekseni lempi. Mhlophekazi sasishilo ukuthi uyokhanyisa lapho koXhosa, Nzulu, inzulu yemfihlakalo konke okufihlakele siyokubona ngawe mfana wami." Excuse me guys, I'm not quite good at reading Zulu, but anyways, I'm going to go ahead and read a few comments under that post. So the first one to comment was uSibindi Mseleko, ubaba wezingane, uthi bafowethu ningaqathanisi ukuthanda izingane zami nokunye, uma wazo sihluyene, ngimfisela nenhlanhla, inkinga nje izingane ezizohamba zihlukumezeke mhlabe xabana. Guys, people are coming after Umpumelelo on the comment section, left, right and center. Others are saying, why are you anticipating ukuthi kuzoxatshanwa? Then others are saying they will cross the bridge when they get there. I'll just go ahead and read just a few more comments, otherwise the rest of the other comments I'll just put them on this video, right? Uyabuza uMapaseka uthi ubungahlawuli ngani sonke lesikhathi. uSibindi uthi yena umhlophekazi Mseleko, so I guess that means ukuthi umhlophekazi uhlawuliwe, it's only uNzulu who was not yet, ne? And then omunye uphendulile lapho wathi yena uMpumelelo ubesabhizi esayohlawulana nama virgin endaweni yokuthi uhlawula umhlophekazi. Remember guys ukuthi uthe yena bantu bami ningabulawa indlala uyihlo ekhona. Someone commented here wathi yena don't worry futhi uXolani is a chef so the babies won't be hungry. Oh guys, someone says Westwind ukuze izinto zakho zibe right ake ulalele abazali bakho basuke bengahlanyi mabe kubonisa. Relationships do end, but uyakhumbula ubaba wakho ethi we meeting you are disrespecting these girls. People are not angry at the fact that you guys broke up, but they are angry at you disrespecting Vuyo and allowing your other girlfriend to do the same, right? He responds and says, lalela mina ngiyohleli ngimi ngezinyawo akukonfaz wangigibela ekhanda. Guys, Umpumelelo is going through the most, and I think, okay, from the look of things when the show was airing, personally I could see what Umpumelelo no longer loves Uvuyo. He no longer loved Uvuyo Umpumelelo, that's the truth. But I think kakhulu is the fact that he is seeing that Uvuyo is capable of getting another man. Uvuyo is capable of uthi alotsholwe. I guess that's what is making him feel pain, because probably he thought Uvuyo is just going to live here and suffer with the kids, you know. Now she has 2 kids, where is she going? But girl got a man very fast and furious. I guess that's what is pissing him off. And because I think even if Uvuyo, of which God forbid, even if she was to break up with the new husband and goes back to Umpumelelo, Umpumelelo will still treat her like trash, or he will still say, no, I don't want you now. So it's not about Umpumelelo loving Uvuyo, it's all about Uvuyo still having that thing. She is still the girl that she thinks she is. She's still umi kahle umuhle, like akonto nje tshintshile, she's able to get a man, you see. Yikho lokho umzusa khona ukumzusa ubuhlungu Umpumelelo ukuthi hayibo lo sisi lo, hayibo le ntombazane ngayihlukumeza nje, ngayiphatha kabi, ngayilaxaza, nansi yona sisuka lapho siyothola umendo. Aibo, I guess that's what's depressing him the most, and the mere fact that Sabelo is able to give Uvuyo what he failed to give Uvuyo. Yabo. Wahlawula uSabelo waze wahlawula nengane zakhe, Nkosi yami. We. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you on my next one. Bye.